If you're a broker or investor, creating a professional offering memorandum or broker opinion of value can make or break your deal presentation. I'm Anton with Intellcre, and every day we help hundreds of top producing teams across the country with building their OMs and BOVs. And in this video, I'll walk you through what every great OM or BOV should include and how to make it professional even if you're not a designer. An OM or a BOV isn't just a brochure, it's your first impression. A professional, nice, data-driven OM or BOV builds trust with your clients. A messy one, on the other hand, signalizes that you're disorganized and reduces your chances of securing new business. So, next, we would like to look at what a good OM should include. Every great OM should have at least 6 basic components. The first one is your cover page with the property photo, address, name of the property, and perhaps your branding. The second component is your executive summary. This is where you include key property and deal information, such as price per unit, various return metrics, year built, and other key property information. You can also include a description of the property together with some highlights. Usually, part of the executive summary, we also include some additional property photos and perhaps photos of the area. The third component is your financials, or at least your financial summary, which should include at least 2 snapshots of the property. It should include the current financial snapshot of the property, as well as the pro forma financial snapshot of the property. So we can include things like operating pro forma, projections. We can also include price scenarios, and also our assumptions that we used in order to construct the pro forma financials for the property. After this third component, we have market insights and comps. Now, it's very important to include sales comps and rent comps because sales comps are supporting our pricing around this deal. So we want to show that we haven't just guessed the price, but we actually used full market insights, properties that have been traded or sold in this market that fit the same profile of our property in order to determine the price for this deal on a price per square foot or price per unit basis. Then we also include rent comps because rent comps are basically the insights, are providing the insights for creating our pro forma financial snapshot of the property. In particular, figuring out what the pro forma market rents can be for this deal, right? So these are market insights, rent, and sales comps. The fifth component is going to be our market or location overview. Location is extremely important to investors, and so the more details we can include as far as the market overview goes, the more professional we look. We can include demographics, we can include trends, population trends, employers, and other demographically significant data for this market. Now, if this is a BOV, there is an extra section here which usually talks about our team, our marketing strategy, and this is basically where we market to a potential client why they should work with us, why they will find success when they decide to work with us. So these are a few pages about the team, and then finally the sixth component or seventh component for a BOV is going to be the cover page where we should include our contact information, making it easy for the clients to reach out to us. So these are the 6 components. Again, cover page, executive summary, financial summary, market insights and comps, location or market overview, and then the contact page. And for a BOV, we should also include a section about us, about our team, about our track record, perhaps highlighting some deals, successful deals that we've done recently. Now that we've covered what a great OM or BOV should contain, it's time to discuss how we can build one. We need to first gather the key property information and property financials, as well as property photos. In addition, we need to conduct our market research in order to determine our rent comps, sales comps, and market level data such as trends, demographics, and so on. Once we've gathered all this information, we can actually start building our OM or BOV. We can do so using manual tools like PowerPoint, InDesign, or Canva. While this process works great, it's extremely time-consuming, and a single OM or BOV can take anywhere from several hours to several days to actually complete. That's why more investors are now relying on fully automated AI-powered tools like Intellcre that completely automate the formatting, data population, and can produce your on-brand professional OM or BOV within seconds. So to recap, a strong OM or BOV should be clear, visual, and data-driven. In addition, make sure you include all the 6 basic components or sections discussed in this video. Whether you choose to build your next OM yourself or use an automated tool, consistency and professionalism make all the difference. Finally, if you'd like to see an example of a fully automated BOV or OM workflow, a workflow that enables you to just upload pictures, upload financials, choose from a template, and then having your OM or BOV auto-generated within seconds, make sure to visit intellcre.com or reach out to us to get a custom demo of what this tool can do for you. Finally, good luck with building your next OM or BOV.